Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm here to talk to you about a laser cutter. This here is QLab's infrared laser cutter. It operates on a multiple stage system with what's called free-flying optics. I believe, is that correct? I think that is. So anyway, if you look over here, you'll see in the very back we have a large laser tube enclosed in a cavity, and we have a series of optics in here that reflect a very poorly focused laser beam through several mirrors to a collimating head. This collimating head moves back and forth over a surface in order to actually cut the material that we're working on. This particular laser has a Z stage, so we're able to lower and raise the material we wish to cut. The way we cut the material is we select a piece here, piece of scrap, put it in the laser, and then we focus it by using a pre-calibrated focusing block. Take this device, we put it there, and we hit data to properly focus the laser to the cutting surface. So now if you follow me over here, we are going to go to a little laser programming computer. Ideally on.
Yes, it's on.
And we are going to grab a piece of vector art to use for our cut. So I actually already did the Denver Broncos logo for my output here, so we're going to take that. We're going to open it in a tool called Inkscape. No, it's...
No.
What is sealed inside it? Alright, so that's loaded up. Zoom out a little bit, very nice logo. What we're going to do is we're going to save this as to a format called DXF. DXF is a common CAD interchange format. And we're just going to call it Denver Broncos logo DXF. We're going to save that out. Encoding millimeters, etc. And then we're going to load it into a special program called LaserCut that takes the vector information about how this logo is constructed and converts it into a series of instructions for use in the laser cutter. Movements, left, right, up, down, etc. And a series of power settings. So we'll go to this laser cut program, import the DXF CAD file. Okay, good. As you can see, the software has cut that logo into a series of lines. And you can see they have direction. These are all mathematical paths defined by vectors and Bezier curves. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to cut this into a little circle here. And I'm going to make the outer circle a different color so that we can use a different cutting parameter. So I intend to cut entirely through this material, so I'm going to use a very slow speed for the exterior cut, which is 6 millimeters per second. And I'm going to use a very fast speed for the interior bit because I don't intend to actually penetrate the material, which is a very thick acrylic. So we're going to go to here, we're going to set our speed to 30. And we're going to check the total size. We can actually size this to a certain number of millimeters. So I'm going to actually grab a ruler here, my own ruler, and to get an idea of how big it's going to be, we're going to go over to the material we're going to cut, and we're going to see how much free space we have. So let's say we've got about 8 millimeters to play with by about 7. Alright, so let's do that. We're going to make the longest dimension 80 millimeters. Now we're going to download the program to the laser. I'm going to hit the download command, delete all the current ones there. Okay, good. Now we're going to go over to our laser machine, which is already focused. And we're going to place, we have a few visitors here today. We are going to place, using the red dot sight. Actually, I'll bring this up so you can see it. The laser head approximately where we want to start. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the test button to cut out the area, to show the area in which it's going to operate. Just a little bit higher. I can live with that. Alright, so we're going to close our stage, make sure that all of our blowers are on, we have air being sucked out of the device, and we have our blowing head that's actually attached to the collimating head is turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and start the laser. And if I've done everything correctly, this is going to correctly cut out the Broncos logo.
The one's going to go funny.
Seeing the interior cuts at a very high speed, it should not penetrate the material. Now we're going to hope that the last cut actually does penetrate. At 6 millimeters per second, it's a little bit iffy, but as you can see the lights flashing, that shows that the laser is penetrating all the way through to the honeycomb underneath. So we are getting good penetration. I had a few questions earlier about whether this laser was eye safe. It is as long as this is closed.
Okay.
The laser operates in an infrared regime,
okay.
So this plastic or acrylic is
it's polycarb.
Polycarb is opaque to that. Okay.
For some reason there was some
And that's it.
I opened these specialty.
That's it. Thank you for your time.